Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. While you're right there, sure.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let it cool off for a minute.
Yeah, I got it back. I bought it back and I changed it. It had 815s in it. If you remember right, I had the big octo port in it.
Yeah.
So we changed it.
Okay.
I got this box. I had to shrink it.
Yeah.
It was built for ZV5s by Randall Ritchie.
Yes.
But I don't run sundown. I run low sound. So we shrunk the box up. We heated it up. It eats a little bit. It does 62 no wall. So yeah. It's a lot louder than it used to be. So.
What's your low frequency range since you can meter that? Like a 32, 3100 or?
I can get around 27, 29.
Okay.
I don't like to go too low.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
I mean,
yeah,
I wanted it tuned higher because I was trying to go for the meter this time.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wasn't planning on getting this truck back. But the kid was going to wall it. It left on top, and then he let you want to buy your truck back.
Yep, it worked out.
I had 3 other builds at the house, so I ended up selling them because I know this truck. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. So what level subs are these?
Resilient Sounds Platinum.
Okay.
And then Surge 10K, 4 of them. I'm wired at 0.4 per amp per pair.
Okay.
So I don't know what I'm getting in there. I ain't really got that far.
Yeah.
You know, it's a Randall Ritchie box. I give him credit for the box. I just shrunk it.
Yeah, made it.
Some tweaking to it. Get the sun down, guys. Demo, I give you a demo.
Keep the fans on, keep it cool. I keep it on to keep it cool, you know.
Yeah.
So you can actually sit out of the vehicle. You don't have to rev it.
I do that now because
So you got a port plug right here.
Yeah, that's for port wars.
Ah, so if you want to play lows, a little lower, like 25, 24. Yeah. Does it do better door open or closed?
Closed.
Closed, okay.
Selling dope since the 10. I ain't nothing but hundreds of ideas. I ain't walking up talking. I took the review off, but it's so forward, so I only see in front of me. Now the past is out of sight and out of mind. So I changed, now I'm back chasing these white lines. I'm just alone here.
Yeah. How much are you clamping on that? My good. How much
I
are you?
don't even know. I haven't got to that. I haven't got that far
They're
yet.
putting some power on them. Oh yeah. Oh man. Holy. Yeah, he's putting some power on them things. Woo.
Yeah, they're hot. I gotta let it cool.
Hot.
Yeah.
There's a certain frequency where they don't move much, but they're getting some power on that one. Oh yeah.
I gotta let it cool off. They're a little bit hot. liked it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you,
I owed
Shannon.
you a demo, so.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, Shannon.
I'm glad I was able to let it eat a little bit.
Yes, sir. Hey, thank you, Shannon.
No problem.